All right, at this time to give you a So green around this place. Beautiful breeze as well. And take a look at this sculpture here. This is beautiful. This is called Garuda. And this is just some settling area. I am now in the lobby area. Lobby area is so huge. And then over there is the front of the hotel. The parking area is on the right side over there. And this is one more garden in here with some water fountains. The water fountain, it seems, doesn't work today. And let's take a walk here. So this is just some sitting area in the lobby area. Beautiful couch, so spaced. And there is the bar over there. It's called Grand Lobby Bar. And this is the front desk. I like the fan and the light. And there is a gift shop over there. And the Grand Lobby the Grand Lobby Bar is open actually. I'm gonna walk down over here. We'll show you what in here. Gonna walk down through some stairs here. So this hotel is called Bintang Resort, located at Kartika Street. And this hotel was very close to Bali International Airport. I would say it's walking distance or a 5-minute drive from Bali International Airport. And this is the restaurant. Then let's check out around here. And behind this hotel is the beach. Wow, guys. It's so peaceful, nice, very quiet. I think I'm gonna explore this hotel property here, and to be honest, this is my first time walking around here. Check this out. I can see there are several fish, and these gotta be water lily, or I'm not really sure what to call that. If you know about it, please put comment down below. And those are some of the rooms, and I was over there a minute ago, and I can see the beach. The beach is over there. I'm gonna walk down to the beach. And the swimming pool is also over there. It's gonna be nice and cool to see the swimming pool. Wow, this is such a big area. According to the hotel staff, there are about 400 rooms here, and for the moment there are about 200 rooms is available due to the COVID. Such a huge, large area to play. And take a look at those trees around there. It seems they are really well maintained, so healthy. Then I can see some birds flying in between the trees. Wow, finally made it to the swimming pool. Honestly, welcome to the swimming pool, everyone. Oh my god, actually I can see there are many people are staying by the water, lie down on the some bed, and I like this style of here. Hello, what's up? How you doing? Wow, there is a waterfall in here. Looks so cool. And some room over there. And the beach is over there. Children playground there. And we'll show you the beach. And then over there is called German Beach. And actually I can see the airport runway from here. So for sure you can see airport takeoff and landing from here. And that is the sign over there, Bintang Bali Resort. Well everyone, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this, and as per usual I want to say thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. I have tons of videos coming up. Have a great day, and don't forget to keep smiling.